Swimming pools are awesome, but keeping them clean can be a hassle. Traditional chemicals can be expensive, harsh on skin, and bad for the environment. But guess what? You can keep your pool sparkling using simple household products you probably already have. Switching to natural alternatives is gentler on your skin and eyes, no more itchy skin or red eyes after a swim. Plus, it's a much safer option for kids and pets who love splashing around. Using household products is also easier on your wallet. Traditional pool chemicals can put a dent in your budget. Natural alternatives are often cheaper and readily available. And let's not forget about the planet. Traditional pool chemicals can harm the environment. By choosing natural alternatives, you're making a conscious choice to protect our planet. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a must-have in your pantry and your pool care routine. It acts as a natural pH adjuster, helping to maintain the ideal water balance in your pool. High pH levels can cause cloudy water, scale buildup, and reduce the effectiveness of chlorine. Baking soda helps to neutralize excess acidity, keeping the water crystal clear and inviting. To use baking soda, simply sprinkle it directly into the pool water. The amount you need will depend on the size of your pool and the initial pH level. It's best to start with a small amount and gradually add more if needed. Remember to test the pH level regularly using a pool test kit. This will help you determine the right amount of baking soda to add and maintain the perfect balance for swimming. Vinegar, a common kitchen staple, is another powerful ally in your quest for a chemical-free pool. While baking soda raises pH levels, vinegar acts as a gentle acid that lowers them. When used correctly, vinegar can help prevent scale buildup on the pool walls and equipment. It also helps to balance the alkalinity of the water, creating a more comfortable swimming experience. White vinegar is the best choice for pool maintenance. Add it directly to the pool water, making sure it's evenly distributed. As with baking soda, start with a small amount and adjust based on your pool's needs. Always test the pH and alkalinity levels regularly after adding vinegar. This will help you maintain the ideal water balance and avoid overcorrecting. Borax, a natural mineral, is a powerful weapon against pesky algae growth in your pool. It acts as an algicide, preventing those unsightly green outbreaks and keeping your pool water crystal clear. Borax works by inhibiting the growth of algae spores, preventing them from multiplying and turning your pool into a swamp. It's a safe and effective alternative to harsh commercial algicides. To use borax, simply dissolve it in a bucket of water and add it to your pool. The amount you need will depend on the size of your pool and the severity of the algae problem. Regular use of borax can help prevent algae from taking hold in your pool, keeping the water sparkling clean all season long. Salt is not just for seasoning your food, it can also work wonders in keeping your pool clean. Saltwater chlorination systems are becoming increasingly popular as a natural alternative to traditional chlorine sanitation. These systems use a salt chlorinator to convert salt into chlorine, which then sanitizes the pool water. This process produces chlorine more gradually and consistently, resulting in gentler and more stable chlorine levels. Saltwater pools are known for their softer, silkier water that feels gentler on skin and eyes. They also eliminate the need to handle harsh chlorine tablets or granules. While saltwater chlorination systems require an initial investment, they can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for expensive chlorine products. Believe it or not, those fuzzy tennis balls lying around your garage can actually help keep your pool clean. Tennis balls act as natural filters, absorbing oils, lotions, and other organic debris that can cloud your pool water. When tossed into the pool, tennis balls absorb these contaminants, preventing them from building up and affecting water clarity. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your pool sparkling. Simply toss a few tennis balls into your pool skimmer basket, or let them float freely in the water. As they absorb oils and debris, they'll become heavy and eventually sink to the bottom. Remember to replace the tennis balls every few weeks or as needed. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to keep your pool water crystal clear. The sun, our planet's natural energy source, can also be your ally in maintaining a clean and healthy pool. Solar pool covers and solar rings utilize the power of the sun to inhibit algae growth and reduce water evaporation. Solar pool covers are large sheets of UV-resistant material that prevent sunlight from reaching the water when the pool is not in use. This blocks algae's primary energy source, preventing it from growing and multiplying. Solar rings are smaller, floating devices that use solar energy to heat the pool water and release small amounts of chlorine. This combination of heat and chlorine creates an environment that is less hospitable to algae. Using solar power for pool maintenance is a sustainable and cost-effective way to reduce your reliance on chemicals and electricity. Maintaining a chemical-free pool does require regular attention and care, just like any other pool. However, the benefits of using natural alternatives far outweigh the effort. Regular skimming and vacuuming are essential for removing debris and preventing buildup. This simple step can significantly reduce the need for chemicals by removing contaminants before they have a chance to decompose and affect water quality. Backwashing your pool filter regularly is crucial for removing accumulated dirt and debris. This helps maintain the efficiency of your filter and prevents contaminants from being reintroduced into the pool water. Testing your pool water regularly is essential for maintaining the proper balance. Monitoring pH, alkalinity, and chlorine levels will help you make necessary adjustments using your natural alternatives. Switching to natural alternatives for pool maintenance is a rewarding experience. Not only will you enjoy a cleaner and healthier swimming environment, but you'll also be reducing your impact on the environment and saving money in the long run. Imagine diving into crystal clear water without worrying about harsh chemicals irritating your skin or eyes. Picture your kids and pets splashing around safely, knowing their health is not compromised. By embracing natural alternatives, you're creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly backyard oasis. You're setting a positive example for your family and community, showing that it's possible to enjoy the simple pleasures of life while respecting our planet. So gather your household supplies, dive in, and experience the joy of a chemical-free pool.